Hey everyone, this is Joey with 22 Halo Media, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a child theme on a managed WordPress host using the WooCommerce Storefront theme. And we will specifically be removing the sidebar from Storefront, and we will also be removing the WooCommerce watermark in the footer. And this theme does not have an option to do either of those things in the Customize panel of WordPress. So we will need to create a child theme to do this. And since I'm using name.com's managed WordPress hosting, we will be using a plugin rather than actually connecting to the server and creating a folder in the WordPress content themes directory. Now, I do use managed WordPress hosting for this website. It's only $30 a year. It's one-click installation, unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth, free daily backups, theme and plugin support, and a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. So I think it's great value. That's the reason why I use it. And if you're interested in buying that product at all, there will be an affiliate link in my description. But let me show you how you can actually create a child theme with a plugin. So what you'll do is you'll go to your plugins in the WordPress dashboard and then click on Add New Plugin. And in Search Plugins, you'll type in Child Theme. And you'll see plenty of plugins that all essentially do the same thing, but I'm going to use the WordPress child theme generator. Once that's installed, you'll want to activate it, and then you'll click Make Child Theme, and under Create and Activate, you'll click on the theme you want to create a child theme for, and for me, that's going to be Storefront. So it'll show that it went ahead and created a child theme for Storefront, and then it also made it the active theme. So now we can go into the theme file editor under Appearance, and we'll know that any changes we make are only to the child theme, and it's not editing the actual theme files. Now I'm going to copy and paste some custom CSS in here that's going to do what we need, but there will be a Google document in the description that has this CSS. If this is all you want to do, this will do what you need. You'll see after I updated the file, if I go and refresh, now my dashboard is going to be gone. My side panel is gone, and also the WooCommerce tagline is gone as well. So that's essentially all you need to do. You could also do it through editing the functions.php and calling the actual variables that represent the sidebar and that WooCommerce text, but I decided just to use some custom CSS for it. And to kind of walk you through what this CSS is doing, let me just go to the website and we'll take a look at the properties. So if I go and inspect the website, what this is doing is it says primary.content area, the width is 100%, and the margin right is 0. And that's essentially filling in the space where the sidebar used to be. So I have the primary content area div right here, and you'll see that originally its width was like 73.9%, and it had this margin right value. But both of these values have a cross through them, like a line through them, because we added this these styles where the width is 100% and the margin right is 0, and it has a higher specificity than what is being written right here. And it's also being loaded after in the CSS. Not only does it have a higher specificity, but this functions.php file loads the styles, the style.css, and then all of these styles that we add are at the bottom of that file. So it's cascading style sheets. So if you have CSS that's lower on the style sheet, it's going to override any styles that are before it as well. So that's what this block of CSS is doing. And then this block of CSS that says secondary widget area display none, this is actually the CSS that makes the sidebar not display. And you'll see right here, this is the secondary widget area. And when I click on it, nothing comes up because display is none. But if I uncheck this, then the sidebar would pop up, but I need to also change these values right here. So there you go. If I got rid of the width is 100% and the margin right is 0, now you can see the sidebar is there. And if I go and make this so it displays none again, that is what is happening. So you can see there that without adding that CSS to make the width 100%, then there would just be this blank space on the right side of the website, which might be good if you want to put like a banner ad there or something. But personally, for me, there's nothing that I want to put there right now. So it just makes more sense for me to make the items display across the entire page and get rid of that margin right. So there is that margin that was on the right to you can see it right there. Yeah, there's that margin there that pushes against the side of the site, and that is to give space between it and the sidebar. But with no sidebar, there's really no need for that margin. And then finally, we have the WooCommerce style, and that is just saying site info, a tag display is none. And if we take a look at our styles again, and we go down and go into the footer, into site info, there will be an A tag here. You see it says woocommerce.com. That link is still there. It's just not being displayed. So right here is the style. Display is none. And if I uncheck it, then it displays in the DOM again. Just like that. So there's just a brief walkthrough on how to create a child theme on a managed WordPress host, and then how to remove the sidebar and remove the WooCommerce text on your WooCommerce storefront theme. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, the custom CSS will be in the description, as well as the affiliate link for the managed WordPress hosting by name.com. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment if there's anything you want to add. I'm always open to learning new things. So if you see something I did wrong or want to comment on how to do it better, please let me know. Thanks.